Hey there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a strange problem that happened in my Scooty Pep. When I tried to turn the key on, the power was not coming, so I thought the battery might be dead or the fuse might have been blown. So let's open the glove box and check if there's anything bad down there. So I checked the fuse first and it was good, but the fuse terminals were rusted and the silver coating over it was gone. Due to the rusting issues, if I adjust the fuse, the scooter is turning on, as you could see it. In this case, we need to be changing both the fuse as well as the fuse holder. And this is the new fuse holder that I got, and it cost around 60 rupees. So let's remove the old one and replace the new one. And for the connections, one side of the fuse holder is to be connected to the battery. The other end of the wire is connected to two wires, a red color wire and a small black wire. And now let's connect it to the battery and find out if it's working or not. I'm gonna use a 10 amp fuse for this. Also be sure to check whether the terminals are not rusted. So I suggest you guys to keep a spare fuse in hand so that it might be helpful in some other situations. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.